Who can beautify Krishna more than Krishna? Who can beautify anyone more than, who can beautify Krishna more than Radharani? So here's Lord Chaitanya. He's 2 in 1. He's Krishna. Okay, so he has all the power of Krishna to glorify Radharani or himself or anyone. And then he's in the bhav of Radharani. So it's only by bhav and by prem that you can see anyone anyway. And it's only by bhav, because seeing someone doesn't mean to see their nose and teeth and eyes, but seeing someone means to read their minds and perceive their hearts. So to read someone's mind and perceive their hearts, then you yourself must be hearty. You must be hearty, which means you must have some love in your heart. It's called prem drishti. So with the eyes and prem and bhava of Radharani and the mind and experience of Krishna, Lord Chaitanya commences his glorification of Krishna. It's like looking at yourself. You're looking at yourself in the mirror, but then you put yellow glasses on and look through yourself in the mirror, yellow sunglasses. Now you're seeing you're yellow. So Krishna is looking at his own beauty, but through the glasses and eyes of Radharani's bhav. So it comes out so colorful and so beautiful.